Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a header in card.co so you can have a professional navigation menu that stays consistent across your entire website. Let's get into it. First, add the header control. In Card, a header isn't just a design choice. It's a specific functional element that tells the site to display certain content at the very top of every page or section. Click the plus icon and select Hashtag Control. In the Settings panel, change the type to Header. You will see a dashed horizontal line appear at the top of your editor. Anything you place above this line will now function as your global header. Next, design the layout with a container. By default, Card stacks elements on top of each other. To get that classic logo on the left, links on the right look, you must use a container to force a horizontal layout. Drag a container element and drop it above your header control line. Open the container settings and set the type to columns. By default, you'll have 2 columns. In the first column, add an image element for your logo. In the second column, add a links or buttons element for your navigation, like Home, About, or Contact. To make it look like a real navigation bar, go to the Appearance tab of the container. Set the width to 100% or full screen so it stretches across the page. Adjust the vertical alignment to middle so your logo and text stay perfectly level with each other. Use the gutters setting to control the space between your logo and your links, ensuring they're not cramped together in the middle of the screen. And that's pretty much it. To create a header in 2026, add a hashtag control set to header and place a container with columns above it. By setting the container to full width and the header position to fixed, you'll have a professional, sticky navigation bar that works perfectly across all your site sections. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.